Ever wondered how to make a healthy version of the classic French onion soup? Well, today, we are going to do just that. Imagine a richly flavored, comforting soup with a delightful sweetness from caramelized onions, and the best part? It's completely plant-based. Our version of the French onion soup is not only delicious, but also kind to the planet and your waistline. So, what do we need to whip up this culinary masterpiece? First, we need 6 large yellow onions. Their sweetness will be the backbone of our soup. Next, 3 cloves of garlic for that extra kick. 4 cups of vegetable broth will form the base of our soup, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce will add a savory depth of flavor. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar will balance the sweetness, and another tablespoon of sugar to enhance it. And finally, 1 teaspoon of thyme to bring a subtle earthiness to our dish. All these ingredients are easily available and the recipe is super simple, so shall we dive into the cooking process? Ready to whip up some delicious, healthy French onion soup? Here we go. The first step in creating this savory delight is all about the onions and garlic. The more thinly you slice them, the better. This not only helps them cook evenly, but also infuses their flavors more potently into the soup. Once your onions and garlic are sliced to perfection, it's time to heat up a large pot. We recommend using a pot that's big enough to comfortably hold all of our ingredients, with some room to spare. This is where the magic begins. Sauté your onions and garlic until they're beautifully browned. This is the key to unlocking their rich, sweet flavors. Next, we sweeten the pot, literally. Add a sprinkle of sugar to your browned onions and garlic. This helps to draw out even more of their natural sweetness. But we're not stopping there. We're also adding in a splash of soy sauce and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. These 2 ingredients work in harmony, giving your soup a depth of flavor that's hard to resist. Once all these ingredients are well mixed and caramelized, it's time to pour in the vegetable broth. This is the base of our soup, providing a comforting warmth and a rich, savory flavor. As the broth begins to simmer, sprinkle in some thyme. This herb adds a subtle earthy note, rounding out the flavors and bringing the soup to life. Now let it all simmer. Allow the soup to cook for about 30 minutes. This gives all the flavors a chance to meld together, creating a soup that's greater than the sum of its parts. It's a process that can't be rushed. It's the love and patience you put into this soup that makes it so special. With these simple steps, our soup base is ready. Now let's move on to the final touches. As we're nearing the end of our cooking journey, let's talk about some final touches and the amazing health benefits this soup brings. For that classic French onion soup experience, consider topping your soup with a generous helping of vegan cheese. Pop it in the oven for a few minutes, just until the cheese is beautifully melted and slightly bubbly. Now, let's delve into the health benefits of this savory delight. The onions in this recipe are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Garlic, another key ingredient, is known for its antioxidant properties, helping to keep your immune system strong. And for those keeping an eye on their waistline, this soup is a low-calorie option that doesn't compromise on taste. There you have it, a plant-based version of the classic French onion soup that is not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Bon appétit!